Hey, so I'm at my friend's home, and they're having some issues with their tub that's not draining very well, and they can't use chemicals on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and snake it for them with this gadget that they got off of Amazon, and let's see if it works. So the first step is basically to take this off. We're gonna go ahead and turn this lefty-loosey. I'm gonna get a wrench to hold that while I do it, and then it'll come off, and we'll be able to get inside the drain there.